this pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey everyone, so it is Tayshawn Miller, and I am here yet again with another update video for my waist beads. And y'all see this smile on my face. I have not really smiled this hard in a while. I mean, I'm a happy person, but I feel the air is getting ready to come on. It's hot. I'm in Florida. I'm not cutting it off. I'm just going to talk a little louder. So as I was saying, you know, because I'm just really feeling myself, I haven't been this excited in a while. So y'all already know, last week Monday, I put on some waist beads. Well, y'all don't know what day I put it on because I uploaded the video way afterwards. But last week Monday morning, I put on a pair of permanent weight loss beads that my daughter makes, and I help her make, you know, because she got a lot of orders and stuff like that. So anywho, at that point, I was a whopping 219.5, and I kind of was like, okay, well, at least that's still smaller than what I was, because originally it ain't none of y'all business, but I'm gonna still tell y'all I was 237, I think it was. Then I went down to 235. Then I went down to 225. Then I went to 222. Then I got all the way down to 214 and gained every last pound and some more back. So I was furious. I was pissed. And so I went on YouTube and I searched, because I know this method I did a while back, and I know I ended up injuring myself just like I did this time. But y'all, I was so desperate. But I tried the, before I did it with the hemorrhoid cream and the saran wrap. Well, this time I did it with the Vicks Vapor Rub and your waist shaper, and you're supposed to sleep at least 10 to 12 hours with it on. I did it, and I woke up the next morning with scars. Well, not the scars wasn't there yet. I just had like redness. It was very sore. It was itchy. It was tender. It was hurting. About 3 days later, when I decided to go ahead and put the permanent waist beads on, I noticed it was tender. So when I looked in the mirror, I saw that I had purple scarring on both sides where the waist shaper was squeezing my waist in and left some bruising and indentations. So I was like, oh my God, like I can never do that again. You know, it was painful, it was burning, it was itching and everything. Anyway, fast forward to where we are today. So I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and go back to my exercise class, which I did. I started going back to the gym, and that helped tremendously. I started drinking my water. That helped tremendously. And then I got down to 219.5. 219.5 is the exact weight that I was when I put on my permanent waist beads on last week, Monday. Today, and see, my feet need to be done, so I'm gonna insert a picture and chop my toes off, because I don't need y'all coming for me, because y'all brutal. Y'all real brutal on this internet. Like y'all not gonna be coming for me. My feet stay done, yes, but right now they need to be, like, the polish done grew out just like it done grew out on my nails. So y'all not gonna be coming for me or my feet, period. So I got on the scale, and your girl is 213.5. Whoop doody doo, doody doop doop doop, doop doop, bam boom. Okay. So for the part that y'all been waiting on, because y'all been inboxing me, you know, and asking all these questions about how it works. You know, is it magical? Is it some kind of ritual? No. It's 3 things. 3 things only that allows this weight loss discipline. I don't know. I don't know what I want to call it, but the 3 things are this. First and foremost, it takes prayer. When you get your beads, you need to pray over them. I showed y'all that in my first original video. Pray over them, okay? 2, numero uno. Numero dos. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Okay, so my phone literally just popped off my tripod because it broke. So yeah, that's what happened. Anyhow, like I was saying, there are only 3 things. The first thing is prayer. When you first make your beads, get your beads, purchase them from whoever, wherever, you need to pray over them because number 1, prayer does work. Number 2, prayer sets the atmosphere for whatever it is that you want God to do, whatever it is that you're setting your mind to, do. So you need to pray first. Second thing you need to do is you need to meditate. You need to meditate and you need to woosah over exactly what it is you're about to do on this journey. And third, brain fart. Oh, third thing is discipline. You need major discipline. So we've already discussed prayer. I mean, as far as me and my faith goes, I believe in God, so I pray to him. And when I first got my beads, I let him know, Lord, okay, I'm tired of basically being fat. I mean, I really don't have a problem with it like that, but I do want to slim down, and I do want to, lose some of these rolls because I got some of them. I got a lot of them. So, I did mention to him, it's time that I get a new look and I'm trying to make things happen and stuff like that. So that was the prayer portion. The meditation portion came in where I just held my beads, and after prayer, I just envisioned myself losing the weight and maintaining the weight. Not just losing it, but losing it and maintaining it in a healthy way without getting ill, without, getting sick, or, sick and ill is the same thing. But you know what I'm trying to say. I lost the weight healthy, which means that when you lose the weight in a good positive way, 9 times out of 10, it's harder for it to come back versus me just going to get a weight loss surgery or just taking some diet pills that's going to like overnight cause me to lose a lot of weight or water weight or whatever have you. And the third thing, discipline. And I'm not going to lie, the discipline is really like working for me because I love to eat, y'all. When I tell you I love to eat, I love to eat. And I have my specialty foods that I just don't care how full I am. If it's more of it and I have it, I'm going to eat it. And that's what I was doing. And that's why my weight fluctuates so much, because I have these spells where if I see, let's just say, pizza, I love pizza. If I got a taste of pizza, I tell my daughter, let's go get pizza for dinner and get 2 boxes. You know what I mean? Which is bad. So, and then I got my spells where I might say, let me go buy me 3 tomatoes and a big bag of lettuce or whatever and eat 2 or 3 salads at night for dinner. So I have different spells where I want different things. But what I can tell you is the weight loss beast definitely teaches you discipline. And the discipline is what helps you to lose the weight. Period. Monday, I had my beads installed. Okay, I was adjusting to them. I didn't like the idea that something constantly was on my stomach feeling some type of way. Tuesday, I woke up. I couldn't, first, let me be honest. First of all, Monday, I tossed and turned for the first couple of hours because I was like, where the scissors at? I need the scissors. Let's just cut this off. Let's just say, forget it. I'm not doing this anymore. But that's where the discipline came in. I say, no, you know what? You want to do this. You want to lose this weight. And it's not even just for that. I just want to be healthy because you guys know I am diabetic, which is getting better. My numbers are so good right now. Like in a little bit, I won't even be diabetic anymore. I won't be deemed as a diabetic anymore. And I have type 2 diabetes. But anywho, oh my God, what was I saying? Oh, Discipline. Yeah. So it teaches you discipline. And by Tuesday, I woke up and my mind was like, okay, girl, what we finna eat? Some bacon, some grits, some eggs, some sausage. But then that was my brain. But my stomach was like, girl, if you put anything in me, all these bees gonna go flying everywhere. So I had a battle of, do I want to eat, do I not want to eat? So I made a healthy choice. And what did I have for breakfast? I think I had watermelon. I had some fruit. So I think I had watermelon. I might have had like a handful of cherries. And I drank some water. And that's like surprising to me because I don't drink water for breakfast, period. I don't care what's going on, what type of weight I need to lose. I don't drink water, period. Not for no breakfast. I'll drink it, but not for breakfast. I need some orange juice or some lemonade or, you know, some strawberry banana juice, something like that. But I'm not going to drink no water. It tastes like nothing. I don't want that for breakfast. But anyways, I disciplined myself. I humbled myself and I had that. And I will have you to know, by the time lunch came, my brain was like, girl, it's time for lunch. But my body was like, you're not hungry. Why are you going to do that to yourself? Just drink some water. So I drank some water. I didn't even eat lunch. When dinner time came, I think for dinner I had a grilled chicken salad. Now, normally I like grilled chicken salad. So normally I would have had two chicken breasts, cut them up, and had them in my salad. I had one chicken breast. And I had to fight with myself to eat my whole entire salad because my stomach was getting full. That was Tuesday. Wednesday came along. I did the video, let you guys know that I had put my beads on, but they had already been on for 2 days. So I let you guys know about that and whatever, whoop, doody-doo. 2 days later is when I got on the scale again and noticed I had lost my first 2 pounds. So I was just like, okay, well, maybe it's water weight or maybe, you know, whatever. But baby, when I got on that scale again today and that scale said 213.5, I knew at that point, yeah, I got it. I know what to do now. And it's kind of a mind thing too, guys, because your mind is going to keep telling you you want to eat. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. But the constant reminder of having the waist beads around your belly, it's going to remind you, girl, if you really ain't hungry, then don't eat. You know, just eat a piece of fruit. You know, snack on some walnuts, maybe some pecans or some almonds, which is very good. And drink you some water. The air getting ready to come back on, guys. And drink you some water. And so that's what I have been doing. I have not been back to the gym yet because, first of all, I only go on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I didn't get them go last week, Thursday. Now, I'm going to go again tomorrow. So, you know, I only do twice a week, unfortunately. I want to do more, but whatever. So that is really what I did. Now, I am getting ready to show you guys right now a side-by-side. I'm going to show you when I first put the beads on. And I'm going to do a side-by-side how I look now and how I looked then. Okay? And you guys are going to just be, you can see it. Like, I don't even need to say anything. Like, you can see it. Like I said, I was 219 and now I'm 213. So God is good. He's faithful. I'm so glad. And by the way, guys, if you guys do order beads from my daughter, which I will put her link in the description box of this video, I pray over, y'all know this, I pray over my growth oil that I sell. I pray over these beads that she sells or that we sell because I help her. I'm her mom. She's only 12 years old, you know. So, and I pray. So when I pray and you pray and we both believe in God for the same thing, of course it's going to be done, sis. It's going to be done. So I'm sorry for the long drawn out video, but I wanted to give a better understanding because People keep inboxing me, asking me how do they work, how are you going to lose weight from a string with beads. But see, it's more than that, sis. It's discipline. It has nothing to do with the string and beads. It has something to do with the discipline that you're giving yourself. It has something to do with the meditation, with you meditating and thinking about what you want to achieve with these weight loss beads. And then, of course, the number one thing, prayer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and let you guys see what I look like, and we're gonna end this video because I know it's already really long. And that's about all. You know, if you have any questions, as usual, drop them off in my comment section. And for those of you who are wondering, these are some clip-ins from a hair company. I've already did a video for them, but child, y'all know I cut off all my hair again. I told y'all I did a big chop. My hair was this long when I cut it. I've been using my growth oil, so now she like about this long now. So I got it. I got a little ponytail on the side, and then I got some braids going back, and I got the clip-ins in there. And I love this hair. The hair is real pretty. If you guys want to see this hair originally, I will link it in the description too, so you can just click the link and see where the hair is from with the company and stuff, because I think they have a sale. And my hair is now gold. I bleached it on the ends, so that's why it blends so well with the clip-ins. So yeah, that's about all, y'all. So let me go ahead and stand up or whatever so y'all can see. All right. Oh guys, okay, wait, let me tell you, before I show you guys, I forgot to tell you guys I have another pair of beads. Let me show you guys what they look like. So cute. They have little elephants on them. Can you guys see that? So they have big elephants. These are the big ones, and they're like 3D. And then they have small elephants that are flat. And this is one of our fashion waist beads. You can stack these however you want to stack them. I'm sorry, I'm looking for the entrance. Okay, there it is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on right now, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put these on and screw it close and turn this around, and I'm gonna step back. So now I have my weight. Y'all look at my weight loss one. Let me go ahead and step back. So this is the weight loss one. First of all, it was way up here. That's first of all. So you guys can see I can comfortably, let me go ahead and give a side angle. Okay guys, so as you can see in the yellow, my beads were placed on that Monday, and they sat on top of my scar from the other method that I tried. Well, as you can see today, my beads are no longer sitting on top of that scar. As a matter of fact, one of the sides is like worse than the other. And now, I'm sorry. And now, I'm thinking that I'm just gonna do them whenever I feel like doing them. Whenever I lose, you know, some pounds, I'm gonna do these videos, honey. Because I think that's another thing that's keeping me motivated to know that you guys are looking forward to seeing my my results. So, you know, I don't want it to be a disappointment for you guys, for me either. You know, I don't want to work so hard and don't get to achieve what it is that I said I wanted to achieve. So you guys don't even know it, but you guys are my accountability partners, period. So y'all are going to help me do what I need to do, so, you know, I can keep showing y'all these results until I get to my weight goal, all right? So I love y'all. I thank y'all for watching. God bless all. And please remember, if you want to purchase some beads from my daughter, just click the link in my description box and DM us on her page, and we will gladly help you out. I love you all again. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm a brain till something happens. No more out of life and drug and trapping.